Hey, how you doing, Weeps? My SidWeeb, and today we're going to watch episode number 4 of Chainsaw Man. I know it's been a long time, and I haven't been posting videos. I'm sorry, I was in my village. I wasn't here, basically, and I couldn't record anything. But now I'm here. I can continue watching Chainsaw Man. I'm really excited, but not really. I don't know why, because it's been a long time. Maybe that's why. And I'm thinking about watching Black Clover. I've heard that it's a good anime, and I think it's finished. I'm not sure. Please tell me. If it's finished, I'll surely record it. So let's just start the episode now. As far as I remember, he was fighting a demon who ate power. Power! Jovi. Oh, butts. Okay. Oh, yeah. She's a devil? Demon? Devil? I forgot. It doesn't look yummy. Poor bear. Uh, hey. Now she find a cat. Yay! Yes. Okay, how did she find her way to the devil hunters? Because we wanna save the cat. Yes, of course. Such a foolish reason? Maybe not. What? Yeah. Oh. She's inside her. Oh, sorry. His stomach. And he saved him. I'm sorry. I... Because I wanna touch some. See? Such a foolish reason. That's what you said before. Men will be men. It's fine. Huh? He didn't. Okay. Okay. Now he's happy. Oof. What happened? What happened? What the fuck? What the heck? Nice. Mappa. Now who is this female? Because you know, she has. Nope. You can't anymore. Then you should. Then you should eat her. Yes. Ah. So the fiance came to rescue. Or revenge. She's an avenger. Oh my, I mean, a revenger. Okay. Well done. Bruh. Oh my god. I'm in for a treat now. Nice. Okay. Jump. He didn't. Oh. He blocked. Yeah. Ooh. Hmm. A romantic one? I don't think so. You're cute enough that I regret it. But he's serious about coping a field. Touching a. Okay. I can't take this fight seriously. I don't know why, but. Drink her blood. What's wrong with? Okay, okay. Yeah. Spider-Man in the Civil War. Oh, no. Oh shit. His eyeball. I think it's just contagious laugh that I'm laughing too. Oh. Power, do something. Him. I don't remember his name. Rinnegan? Is it a summoning jutsu? Oh. She can talk? And her voice was really smooth. What can okay. Some new characters. Hayasaka. I think his name was Hayasaka. Right? Rookies. Himeno. Yes, please. Nice. I like it. Oh, that's that's nice. He's slicing the apples from him. For him. I don't think that's a devil. Ah. Oh. Oh. Just as I said that it's nice. Yes. Ah. What condition? Tell. Fine. Fine for me, but I don't know about our friend Chainsaw Man. Our fiend Chainsaw Man. But it's my dreams. You can judge me. Pretty weird guy. Learn manners. Devil hunters. Nice, nice, nice. But at least her cat is saved, so I don't think she's gonna do something like that again. But I don't know. Whatever. Hayasaka Ali. I don't know his name. I don't remember his name. I knew his name. Ooh, why? Manners. She must have seen him. She must have felt him coming, not seen. Where's the ad? I wanna. Nice. Hmm. Hayakawa. Okay. Okay, Makama is a little terrifying. I don't know why, but her eyes seems terrifying to me, even though she looks gorgeous. Alrighty then. What kind of Colgate is this? I mean toothpaste. Coffee grinder. I don't drink coffee, so I didn't know that that's how they make it. What am I watching? Why am I watching his A Day with Hayakawa? Smoking is injurious to health. He's doing everything. Okay. With that. Oh, fuck. That's no way to come in. What the heck? Just as he was getting used to being with Denji, she threw power at him. That's why he blushed. I would have too. That's right. Eat your veggies. uh, did he? Did he get to touch her? Oh, she remembers. Oh. Okay. Oh my god. One, two, three. Did he get a nosebleed? Did he get nosebleed? She's an angel. Oh, I forgot. This is not a hentai. Okay, whatever. I'm just kidding. I really like the fight. I didn't remember anyone's name. That's on me because I was away for 15 days. Actually, 16 days. I really like the episode. I like the action. I like the dog. I don't know her name. Her name. Yeah. I don't know how Mappa does it. I know it's a kind of CG and drawing based animation, but it's really good. It's really good. The story, I don't know actually the story. A lot of people have read the manga, but I haven't. I'm making this video so I can record my reactions, and it feels like I'm watching it with you guys. So that's the main motive. So I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time in the next episode. Tata, bye bye, sayonara.